get addicted to phone, not with phone, to phone. Very good morning and welcome to Clapingo. Hi, Sudhir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, I'm Sindhu and I'm your speaking partner at Clapingo for today. How are you?
I am fine, madam. And how about you?
I'm also pretty good, thank you. Where are you from?
Okay. I am from Maharashtra, Jalgaon, Maharashtra.
Good. The sun is
Yeah.
shining above your head. Nice. Mhm.
Because I am sitting under the open sky on terrace.
Mhm. What do you do, Sudhir?
Ma'am, I'm doing very well, and is I am speaking about my career. So I am working in a private sector. I'm
Mm,
working in a school, private school, as a
mm,
teacher. I
mm,
teach computer there, and
mhm.
nowadays I'm joined Clapingo for improve my English communication.
Okay,
That's it about me.
that's nice. Yeah. So Saturdays, are you off or do you have to go to school today?
No, today is not my off. My shift is afternoon shift, 12 to 5.
Okay, even at school you have afternoon shift, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So they're nice. You have time to relax in the morning, then you can enjoy your, work at later on. And I also see that you're new to Clappingo. This is your seventh session, right? So
Yes.
how was your experience so far?
My experience is good till to date. I don't have any problem.
Hmm.
I want to speak fluently. That's why I joined Clapingo. But
Hmm.
uh, I don't have how to speak fluently because whenever I teach my students, I
Hmm.
teach in English. I don't have problem with that. But
Okay.
whenever I start speaking with general topic with someone, so in
Okay.
that case I plumbing and I stuck in between the words and
Hmm.
sentences. Okay, so I want speak fluent with my friends and over the phone on the clapping go like a day-to-day conversation. So
Hmm.
it is my problem. How to uh, face it?
Okay, so there definitely you will be fluent. This is your seventh session, right? I've seen progress in learners from first session to fifth, fifth to 10, 10 to 15, like that after every five sessions. And by the time they complete 36 sessions, they're going to be very fluent. I've seen it 111% guaranteed. Okay, because it's like a filtration process, right? Wherein you will speak and we'll keep correcting you, then all the errors will be removed. So one day the English is going to be refined and polished. If you're framing sentences incorrectly, we'll tell you how to frame the sentence correctly. So you will definitely improve. Okay.
Okay.
So did you get time to go through today's session notes?
Yeah, I had a glance, but I think I had a session over
Hmm.
with one tutor on this topic. I think.
Okay, sorry about that. Then sometimes what happens is that system duplicates the topic, so it could be repeated. So don't worry, we'll discuss on some other topic. Okay.
Okay.
So let's talk about the taste. When we eat food, we feel the taste, right? Let me see if you remember the names of all the taste.
I think you are speaking about the old factory and
No,
all things.
not all the sense. When we eat food, we feel the taste, right? So what are the
Yeah,
taste? Like when we eat tamarind, what taste do you feel? Tamarind or raw mango?
mango.
Yeah,
What? Sorry.
when you
Yeah.
eat raw
Yeah.
mango or tamarind, what taste do you feel?
Oh, when I eat raw mango, it tastes very what I say bitter, like not a bitter, but very different, like a uh, what?
Okay, I'll tell you.
Yeah, please.
Sour taste. We feel the sour taste, right?
Ha, please.
See, I've also typed
Sour.
in the chat
Yeah, sour.
box.
Yeah, sour.
Yeah,
Hmm.
not sour, sour, sour.
Far. Okay.
Hmm. So the lemon is also sour, and
Yeah.
tamarind or mango, these all are sour. And you told
Yeah.
bitter. Bitter is for bitter gourd, the vegetable.
Bitter gourd.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So sour, bitter, and then what are the other tastes that you feel?
Uh, Finish means mango, na? It's a sweet.
Sweet, yeah, sweet also we feel. Raw mangoes are sweet. Then
No, raw mango not sweet.
sorry, ripe
Means
mangoes, right? Ripe
yeah,
mangoes are
yeah. It is a sweet taste,
yes,
so we can eat it easily.
yeah,
We can
correct.
also make a juice of it.
Yes, yes, juice, milkshake, correct. Ice
Yeah,
creams. So sweet, sour, bitter. What other taste is left? What's the
sweet,
taste of chili? Chilies.
sweet, sour, sweet, bitter, and one.
What's the taste of
So
chilies?
yeah, spicy.
Yeah, spicy.
Spicy. It is very, yeah, it
Correct.
is very spicy.
Very spicy, and we can also say hot. When we say
Hot.
the
Yeah.
pickle is very hot, that means it's very spicy.
Yes.
And
Yes.
what are the taste? Yeah, we are done with all the taste. Yeah. So these are the taste.
Mhm.
So I just asked this because many people don't remember. Like even you forgot about the taste, right? But we learned it in
Yes.
our school days.
Yes.
Then tell me, like, do you have any addiction? Addiction doesn't mean only addicted to drugs. Any other addiction, like some people are addicted to coffee, some to tea, some like some spend time on the phone, like that.
Yeah. Nowadays I am not addicted, but few days ago I was addicted with my phone.
Oh,
Nowadays,
mm,
whenever I go in my school, I put my phone on the flight mode and put it in my bag because there is no phone allowed in my school.
mm,
So it is very good for me because nowadays uh, it is very good time to without phone having fun with students and colleagues and
mm.
addiction of phone. It is very dangerous for us
Yes,
also and students also.
correct.
So I don't have any other addiction
Mm.
for.
Even I saw that I used to work as a teacher at a school in Rajasthan. So some teachers were addicted to phone that even during class they will keep using their phone. Then they made it compulsory that everyone should hand over the phone to the principal before attending the classes.
Yeah, same
Mm.
same here.
Mm.
Okay, ma'am, which subject you teach?
I used to teach English and spoken English. Then, since the
Oh,
pandemic, I'm always teaching online, and I've never gone back to offline classes because I feel online is very comfortable. I can meet a lot of people all across the world, and that's the reason.
oh, yeah,
I can also save on travel time, right? How long do you take to
yeah.
travel to school?
It's a 10 minutes only.
Oh,
Okay,
very
5 to 10 minutes. Yeah,
that's
it's
great.
a near about. Yeah,
If your lunch break was long, you could also come home for lunch, but I think lunch breaks are very short, isn't it?
yeah. It is only 15 minutes.
Hmm. Then, what do you think? Is one lifetime enough? That means
For students,
um,
yes,
we
please.
see in Hinduism we say that once we die we'll be reborn again and again we'll be reborn, right? 7 lives they say. So do you think you if you get a chance to be reborn, would you like to be reborn again and come to this world, or is one life enough?
One. If I get a chance, definitely I will reborn because
Mm.
if I get all those things in my life, so one
Mm.
life is comfortable for us. But who I think if you ask someone, you want to reborn, if God asks someone, so definitely he will say, yes, I will reborn. Okay,
Okay.
and I will meet all my old friends
Mm.
whom I forgot or whom I missed to meet them. So,
Mm.
and whatever work I forgot to do, and
Mm.
I will do it after reborning. Okay,
Mm.
because most of the movies we see
Mm.
heroes comes with rebombing. the
Yeah.
Karnataka, Joni, the Karnataka, they reborn, and they
Yeah.
come and they get the their
Mm.
so like that. If God asks, definitely we will reborn.
Yeah, the rebirth movies are very interesting. Even Om Shanti Om also, Shah Rukh Khan will be reborn in that, right? Hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
Correct. Hmm. People who enjoy this world, enjoy life, would like to be reborn. People who think that the world is horrible and the world it's a burden to live here, they would not like to be reborn, right?
Yeah, yes.
So Sudhir, I think hmm, okay, we can discuss some more topic. Hmm.
Yeah. Ma'am, okay.
Yeah.
Can I ask a question? Now you are the English teacher and you teach English. Ma'am, tell me how you learn English. You are a English medium student, or there was a family background of your means whole English from your birth.
Yeah, yeah.
What
I knew
what
English.
what was your journey?
Yeah, I knew English even before going to school because I used to live in Bangalore. I'm from Bangalore, and we had neighborhood kids, everyone speaking English. So I just spoke English with them and I learned. So that's why I say that it's not necessary to learn grammar to know English, because when I was a kid, I didn't know what was grammar, but I knew it, right?
Oh, yeah, you get environment from your childhood, but
Yeah,
not in your family, but surrounding.
correct. Yes, that's right.
Yeah. Okay. So what means what your fathers do? They were
Mm.
educated. They were not speak English with you.
My father knows English, but he's having a company. He's having his own factory in Bangalore, but he doesn't speak to me in English. But whenever we had parents teachers meeting and all that, he used to speak in English. But we as I and my sisters, we all used to speak in English at home. But we spoke
And
Malayalam. My mother tongue is Malayalam because I was born in Kerala. So we used to speak
yeah,
Malayalam with parents so that we also know that language, and with sisters English so that we knew English. So it was a balance of everything.
yeah, I see Malayalam and Kerala people are very clever and very smart because there is one app and I use to that app to
Mm.
speaking English, and
Mm.
whenever I make a call,
Mm.
mostly I get the person from Kerala, Tamil,
Oh.
and they speak very fluently and they speak very good.
Mhm.
Kerala people are very intelligent.
Thank you. Yes. And okay, so then what we'll do is that we'll discuss the feedback for now, and then if we have time, we'll discuss something else. Okay.
Okay.
So, from whatever you spoke now, Sudhir, I observed you speak very confidently with a smile on your face. Your pace is good. You're not fast or slow. Pronunciation is pronunciation is something that we have to focus on, and sometimes prepositions, and sometimes some helping verbs which is missing. So I'll tell you what it is. Initially, you said I'm flumbing. So it's I fumble. I fumble to get
I
words.
forgot.
Fumble.
Mm,
Yeah. I stuck in between. I get stuck in between. Whenever you use stuck, use the word get. If it's past tense, I got stuck. If it's present, I get stuck. Because stuck is also the past tense of stick. Like if I tell you stick the chart on the wall, and if you stuck it, then you say the past tense. Yes, I stuck the chart. Right? So
mhm,
when you get stuck, that is something happening to you. It's a verb. So I get stuck. Okay. Then another pronunciation is conversation, not conversation. Sorry, you said conversation. It is conversation. Conversation. Okay.
okay.
Then I get addicted with phone. You said it's actually I get addicted to phone, not with phone. To phone.
Mhm,
Like addicted to drugs, addicted to tea, like the two. It's always two. Okay. Then you said I will reborn. I will be reborn. B was missing. If you're talking about a situation, right? When you talk about a situation, be is required. Like be good, don't be bad, will be reborn,
mhm,
like that. Okay. Or you can also say, I want to be reborn. I want. Want is a desire. Then you said in movies they reborn. They they are reborn in the movies, right? Because we
mhm.
can say they are reborn because movies, if we watch movies we can also say they are reborn now, but if you're only talking about past we can say they were reborn, they
They
were
were it. recall.
Yeah. So what is it? Mainly pronunciation and some small words that you're missing. These small words are very important, like get, be. They shouldn't be skipped. Are,
Okay.
were, all these helping verbs. Okay.
Okay.
So now we could discuss vocabulary, but there's no vocabulary here. So let's talk on something else. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Or any other doubts or queries that you have?
No, ma'am.
So that some of the other tutors would have told you to read in English, listen, and watch in English.
Yeah, yeah. One tutor told me that read English newspapers, but till that I am not
Mm.
about any newspaper. But I read books, read that over that, and ignited
Yeah,
mind and moved my cheese.
yeah,
So
that's great. Yeah, it's not necessary that you have to read newspaper. Anything in English is fine. Just ensure that 5 or 10 minutes when you read, you will have that mouth muscles movement. So it should be read
yeah,
loudly, 1 or 2 paragraphs. Okay.
okay, okay.
Then, oh, 1 second. Okay, so there. We have only 2 3 minutes. So what's the plan for the rest of the day? After you go to school today, you'd come back in the evening. Then you have Sunday. What's the plan for Sunday?
No, ma'am, I don't have any plan because
Hmm.
now recently there is a newborn baby in my home.
Okay.
So I spent my time with him only, and also I watch some topics, find some topics on my mobile because I want to make my own videos on English. So please
Oh.
give me a one suggestion if I want
Hmm.
to find, because it is very difficult to find a topic and speak in front of the camera. So
Hmm.
if I, as a beginner, I want to speak
Hmm.
English. So which
Yeah.
topic would be better for me for speaking English?
Which topic? See, topic will be which is useful to everyone. Okay, like any topic, like in grammar. Many people have problem with grammar, so you can do that.
Yeah,
You can also upload Clapingo videos. Do you know that?
yeah, I know Clapingo, but I
Hmm.
want to speak English because there is no one whom I speak English. So I want to speak English in front of the camera, and
Hmm.
that's why I want a topic.
Okay,
Uh,
okay. Then take
yeah,
all grammar topics one by one, like one day nouns, one day verbs, one day prepositions, one day conjunctions, like that. Not one day, I mean 1 week. In once a week also you can do it.
instead of grammar topic, because if I
Hmm.
make a video on the grammar, there are few people they comment on